Hi everyone, my name is Richard Evans, a young South Asian man with dark hair and a friendly expression.
Welcome back to Live Right, Live Healthy. Today, we're diving into the simple steps to sustainable weight loss.
Don't do these 3 things when you're trying to lose weight.
The more you skip meals, the more likely you are to gain the weight back.
The harder you push your workouts, the easier it is to burn out and quit.
These 3 mistakes are quietly pulling you backward.
Fix them today so your weight can go down and stay down. Stay down.
Before we jump in, I've noticed something. About 70% of you watching this right now still haven't subscribed to the channel. If you find this content helpful, do me a favor.
Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos.
And so I can keep creating better content to support your health journey. All right, let's get started.
Hi everyone, I'm a health professional working here in the US, and I've spent more than 10 years walking alongside people over 30 on their health journey. Starting tomorrow, I'll skip dinner, train really hard, and the scale will finally drop. One of my patients, Laura, tried exactly that.
Instead, picture a plate that's half vegetables, 1 palm-sized serving of protein, and 1 small handful of carbs. The second mistake is an African-American man over 30 exercising based on mood. On good days, he pushes way too hard. On busy days, he skips completely.
The third mistake is believing in detox miracles. Your liver and kidneys are already incredible natural filters. I want you to picture the next 6 weeks. Each day, 1 extra walk, 1 moment where you put the sugar.
Have you ever felt that you deserve to be healthier than you are right now? Start with your very next meal.
When you suddenly slash your calories and ramp up your workouts, your body doesn't quietly go along with the plan. It flips into alarm mode.
Doc, all day I eat almost nothing, and at night it's like someone else takes over my body.
The science here is simple.
The solution isn't to suffer more, it's to send your body a sense of safety. I want you to picture 1 calm week.
Those small things, added up, help flatten his blood sugar swings, protect his muscle, and bring cortisol down.
Are you ready to treat your body like a close friend? Gentle, but firm and consistent, starting with your very next meal?
In my clinic here in the US, I see a lot of people over 30 walk in with a promise to themselves. I'll drop 10 pounds in 2 weeks.
The first 3 days, I'm a saint. By day 4, I just give up.
The truth is, your body follows its own rhythm. A safe, sustainable pace is a...
Picture the new month like taking care of a small garden. Drink enough water so the soil stays soft, and protein to feed the roots.
Don't obsess over a single weigh-in. Look at your weekly average. And when you hit a milestone, reward. Your body doesn't need loud slogans or extreme promises. It needs quiet, consistent signals.
In my clinic, a female African-American doctor sees plenty of people over 30 walk in with the goal of dropping 10.
I do great for 3 days, then on day 4, the scale doesn't move, and I just quit.
Drink water so your brain can tell the difference between hunger and thirst. Eat enough protein and get in your step.
And every time you hit a small milestone, reward yourself with a new walking route, a yoga class, or a new workout hat. Your body responds best to patient kindness. When you send it the same steady message every day.
After 30, I see the same 3 mistakes over and over again. Eating too little, training too hard, and sleeping too little.
I push hard for the first 3 days, and on day 4, all I want to do is lie down. The science here is actually simple.
Day 1 and 2, just estimate your protein intake and add 1 healthy snack so you don't raid the pantry for sugar in the late afternoon.
Day 7. Take a photo, measure your waist, look at your weekly average, and adjust your calorie deficit to...
I don't need a miracle. I just need a kinder rhythm to live by.
If you start tonight, by next week the mirror will already begin to tell a calmer, more hopeful story.
Hi there. After 30, your body doesn't really like sudden shocks anymore.
I eat very little for 3 days, and on the 4th day, I take the fastest route to the pastry cabinet. Have you ever seen yourself in that?
The science is gentle. Enough protein to protect your muscle, a few thousand steps a day to keep your blood flowing, and a solid...
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to repeat the basics.
If you'd like me to put together a 1-week sample meal plan and a home workout schedule for busy African American people, comment #PAN below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video.